Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. A Zoeller battery backup sump pump is designed to keep water moving when the main pump loses power. But like any system, it can occasionally develop issues that affect performance. You might notice warning lights, battery alerts, unusual sounds, charging concerns, or a backup pump that doesn't seem to activate when expected. Many of these situations are linked to routine maintenance items, battery condition, or simple connection problems rather than major equipment failure. Before replacing parts or scheduling repairs, there are several quick checks worth performing. In this video, we'll go through some common troubleshooting steps that may help restore normal operation to your Zoeller battery backup sump pump. Try these. Step 1. Check the battery on the Zoeller battery backup sump pump. Step 2. Inspect charging cables on the Zoeller battery backup sump pump. Step 3. Review indicator lights on the Zoeller battery backup sump pump. Step 4. Test the float switch on the Zoeller battery backup sump pump. Step 5. Reset the Zoeller battery backup sump pump controller. Step 6. Run a test cycle on the Zoeller battery backup sump pump.